Here's a great youth-sized picnic table that's easy to build. It's a little larger than the smaller kid-sized table from my previous video. I'll link to both in the description. This table takes 10 8-foot 2x4s. Here are the parts and lengths. Cut each of the bottom corners at the top and bottom braces at a 45-degree angle, 1 5/8 inches in as shown. The first thing I do is position two legs to where the upper inside corners are 11 3/4 inches apart. I have a scrap piece of 1x4 marked out for a guide. It needs to be marked in the center too at 5 7/8 inch. Now take a top brace and make a center mark, then line it up with the center mark on the guide. It should be lined up with the top of the legs. Outline the bottom of the board with a pencil. This will serve as a guide later when applying the glue. Here's the placement of the bottom brace. I outline this as well. Here I'm marking where I'm going to pre-drill some holes for the screws, 3 in each spot, and I will be using 2.5 inch deck screws. I set my screws in place first to make quick work when I'm ready to screw them in after the glue is put on and the boards are positioned properly. Double check your measurement and attach. Here's how the first one turned out. Now make another one. Next, I lay out the 6 tabletop boards for the best look. I chose to notch the corners on the top and benches. I label all of the boards so I know what position they go in. The screws for these boards will be placed at 4 3/4 inches in from each end. Again, I use 2.5 inch deck screws and put 2 at each end. I pre-drill and place screws in advance to save time and to help keep things lined up when installing. I use 3 pieces of 2x4, 35 inches long, and pocket holes at each end to connect the 2 ends together. They will be removed once the top and bench boards are installed. The legs on the ends face to the outside. As I'm installing the boards, I keep a 1/4 inch space in between them. Once those boards are on, I remove the temporary boards and install the diagonal braces. Now these are 21.5 inches long point to point. One end has a 48-degree angle and the other a 42-degree angle. Now the 42-degree angle gets attached to the tabletop and the 48-degree to the bottom brace. I do cut a notch off the 48-degree end as shown so it is not sticking outside of the bottom brace. Some glue and a couple of screws and the table is built. Plans to this and the smaller kids table are in the description. Thanks for watching.